Hey guys, I am back with another video. So this is gonna be more of a casual style makeup tutorial. I'm really just wanting to come on here and film me doing my makeup because it's been an extremely long time since I've been behind the camera. It's because of this friend right here. Your girl ended up getting a chemical burn and contact dermatitis from Got to Be glue. I'm gonna stop using my batch content and actually get back in creating. So I am here to do that with you guys. I decided that I wanted to recreate some of my old makeup looks just to kind of re-motivate myself and give myself inspiration, because why not? Just to kind of also see my progress in my makeup, and also of course transforming. It's always just exciting to see the difference in my creativity. So I'm going to be doing that with you guys. I'm going to be using some new products from LA Girl. They launched some vacation, like spring, summer stuff. So I got some of their metallic gel liners. This is the colors that I got. Which is this blue, which I'll be using today, this like rose gold, and this gold shimmer. They're all really pretty. And then this is the palette. I got the Hey Hey Vacay. I don't know, well there's two different ones, but I don't know what the difference in the name is, but I got Hey Hey Vacay in the pink edition. There's another green one, and these are the colors that come in it. So this is the palette.